Arena Breakout Infinite, Northridge A207. In this video, I'll show you where the store is, the loot behind it, and of course whether the key is worth it or not. The best way to find this location and many more in Arena Breakout Infinite is of course my map that I've painstakingly put together. Simply head across to the link down below, type in what you're looking for, in our case A207, bam, there we go, click it, it'll take us straight to where we need to be. It's located on the first floor of the main building over here, Building A. All we need to do is make our way down towards the center south of the map, and in this northeastern building here on the second floor is what we're looking for. There are a few entrances to this building on the first floor, one here, probably here too, and here. I'll make my way in probably from the north area over here to the stairs and up. So I'll go ahead and mark this exact room, opening my map, Northridge Hotel 2F, and on this second floor, right over here is where we're heading. Let's get there. So of course it's not the massive building, nor is it the Northridge Hotel here. It's actually past these lower buildings over here on the east side. So I'll make my way in on that middle section right over here. Heading inside, we'll need to go up a floor, a suitcase that's pretty big, and a jacket. Nothing crazy. Directly opposite us is the stairs I'll be taking up, and of course on this second floor, right above that first room that we were in, we should find over here A208 and opposite A207. Inside of here, unlocking, we've got right over here a grenade box in the bathroom, which for me didn't contain anything crazy. Then in the main bedroom area, we've got this, which is a medium weapon case. Inside of it, again, nothing too profitable for me, but you may have better luck. This room isn't too crazy. There's no safe or any truly high value items that you can find in here for the most part. It is a relatively cheap key compared to some of the other ones on this map, but yeah, there is still so much loot inside of this building to access for free, so just running around you'll most likely make your money back in no time. Anyways, that's really that for this super quick guide. Hopefully you found it useful. Again, you'll find many useful things linked in the description down below. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.